Click on the link below to get price. The Generac 7006 100 amp load manager is a game changer for homeowners looking to optimize their energy use and manage power loads efficiently. This innovative device is designed to prioritize essential circuits while allowing users to maintain a seamless power supply, particularly in emergency situations. One of the standout features of the load manager is its ability to automatically manage multiple circuits without the need for complicated wiring, making it incredibly user-friendly and accessible. Installation is straightforward thanks to its wire-free design. The load manager connects easily to the existing electrical panel, which is a major advantage for those looking to avoid the hassle and expense of extensive wiring modifications. Once set up, it can manage up to 10 circuits, ensuring that your most critical appliances and systems receive power even during peak load situations. The intuitive interface provides real-time feedback on energy usage, allowing you to make informed decisions about your power consumption. This can lead to significant savings on energy bills, as the system optimally allocates power based on priority settings. Moreover, the ability to customize load priorities means that users can tailor the system to their specific needs, ensuring that vital appliances like refrigerators or medical equipment remain powered up when it matters most. In terms of performance, the Generac Load Manager stands out for its reliability and efficiency. It operates quietly and smoothly, with minimal interruption to daily life, which is crucial during power outages or high-demand periods. Additionally, the robust construction and quality materials ensure longevity, making it a worthwhile investment for any household. Overall, the Generac 7006 100 amp load manager is a top-notch product that effectively balances performance with user convenience. Whether you are looking to enhance energy efficiency, manage loads during outages, or simply streamline your power usage, this device delivers on all fronts. It's a smart addition to any home, making energy management easy and efficient.